Hello, professor, and this is my video of conversation of using two consonant sounds. And in this case, using the sound z, z and t, t. The conversation is in group of two, but in this case, I make alone. Okay. And hi, Jose. How are you today? Hi, Elias. I'm good, thanks. And you? Oh, I'm fine. So, do you have any plans for Sunday? No, yet. I was thinking of going to the small coffee near to school. Would you like to come? That sounds great. What time? How about 10 in the morning? This is perfect. By the way, did you see the new travel book on teachers and table yesterday? And yes, it looked interesting. Maybe we can talk about it at the coffee after of pacing on the park. Sure, I'll bring my sister. Do she love books? Amazing. Let's plan to meet. There are 10. Great. See you on Sunday? Of course. See you then.